this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one that's made by JML, and this is called Super, and it's spicy beef flavor from China. So today is the day, folks. It's my birthday. Happy birthday to me and to you, should it occur. So there we are. Some package just arrived. I just heard the ding dong on my deal, so that's cool. But yeah, it's my birthday. I just walked to when I was born. I was born in Seattle, Washington, so I decided today to walk down to the Seattle side, which is what I did, and it was good. But yeah. Oh. I better get me some bowls. It's always a mission of like, which bowl am I going to use? I'm going to use this one. This one. Use that one. The next one, I want to use that one. And for the last one, I want to use better hurry, I'm almost out of time. Gosh, I don't know. Crap. You could use that one. Why not? I really like that bowl. I'm in the mood. I like that bowl. I know. Alright, so yeah, bowls. We're going to use, for this one, we're going to use this one. And, okay. We don't need it right at this second. Yeah, it's just like a basic spicy beef Chinese variety. Let's get to work. But yeah, I just walked a whole bunch and I raced home and I got some stuff ready. And literally, ow, crap, burnt myself. And, I'm gonna give you a little trick. So see, there's a ton left in here. Once you go like this a little bit, it'll like wash it out. Kinda. See, it starts pulling it out. That's pretty good. We got a powder sachet. I'm excited. I just went, I think when I left it was like 35 degrees. Now it's easily in the 50s. It's nice out. And this weekend it can get up to 70 degrees. I'm like, ooh, doggies. Oh boy. Hoobity, hoobity. I don't often say hoobity, hoobity. But this is supposed to be a Chinese spicy beef. We will see. That's what we got here. Here is our noodle. Smells Szechuan peppery, which is fitting if it is indeed Chinese. It's a spicy Szechuan pepper. I wouldn't jump on the beef bandwagon so quickly. You can call it spicy beef. That sounds like it's like, you know, hot peppery beef kind of deal. It's good. There we are. Alright, so there's that. Chinese sausage. Yummy. Well, yeah, I've been having a good day so far. I got up and kids showered me in happy birthdays, and it was really nice. They're cute. They're good kids. They can be little wackos, but they are good kids. I got a bunch of, Papa, I'm making you this at school. I'm hoping the teacher will let me bring it home today for your birthday. And it's like, wow, you didn't have to do that. They're very thoughtful. They're really into birthdays and celebrating things like that. It's like every other day, because Miles is really into like Sonic the Hedgehog. Literally every other day. It's Knuckles' birthday, Papa. It's Sonic's birthday. It's Tails' birthday. It's Bad Guy's birthday, whatever his name is. Yeah. So they're really into that kind of thing. That's cool. I like that. Look at that. Oh! But look at that. You stay in that circle of influence. First one. On my birthday, baby. thank you very much for watching. So today I picked 3 varieties. I picked them yesterday, actually, to review today on my birthday, because I wanted to pick ones that'd be fun to try. And this one, decent. And this one, I reviewed back in 2017. It's from Hong Kong. Of course, now it says product of China. Before, you know, Hong Kong went back, or yeah, all that, who's it's happened. This is Nissan Demi Ramen, and it's the Aka Tonkatsu variety. It's like a spicy tonkatsu, I think. I can't remember. But, yeah, and I'm stoked, and that will be the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles, and happy birthday to you. Have a good one, and bye-bye.